As the dodged the ZANU-PF succession battle continues in Zimbabwe, President Mnangagwa has appointed former Zimbabwe Defense Forces Commander Philip Valerius Vanda to the ZANU-PF Politburo. Sadabina mashoko kudachoko panapa awopo chimwono aiwa achifukunura nekuexposa the rift between the two hostile factions in the ruling party ZANU-PF. Don't forget subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Anomudanjira chiti General Vanda succeeded the current Vice President General Constantino Chiwenga as commander of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces in 2017 following the military coup that removed former President Robert Mugabe from power. He is also viewed as one of the dark horses in the succession battle inside ZANU-PF. Unlike General Chiwenga and President Mnangagwa, who emerged from ZANU or Zantla, General Vanda is a former Zebra and a ZAPU member. He joined the liberation struggle under Zebra during the war against white minority rule, and later became one of Zimbabwe's most senior military figures after independence. In Zimbabwe, where ethnicity, regionalism, and liberation war alliances still play a significant role in politics and power dynamics, General Vanda's appointment is also politically significant because he comes from the same ethnic group, region, and clan background as President Mnangagwa. The ZANU-PF Politburo is the party's highest decision-making board outside of Congress. It is made up of senior party leaders, ministers, liberation war figures, and influential political allies, and it plays a central role in shaping government policy, party strategy, appointments, and succession politics in Zimbabwe because ZANU-PF is governed since independence in 1980. Decisions made inside the Politburo often have a direct impact on the running of the state itself. Domba developments aripo panguva ino. Inakomesa kuchemedu zafunguro enye moti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, watch it on the bell icon.